Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, it's the 14th day of June, which would make today Flag Day. And time as I make this is 3:37 a.m. with a 74-degree temperature and a dew point of 72. It's going to be a very warm and humid day. I already see some storms on the radar up towards Birmingham heading southward. There is a frontal system in the state, so today heat, humidity, and big heat leads to maybe some big storms out ahead of that front. We'll talk about that. We'll also talk about some big improvements for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe even Friday with the humidity coming down. We like to hear that, but hold the phone. There is something in the Gulf of Mexico that we very much need to watch. It's called Invest 92L. Will it become a depression or maybe Tropical Storm Bill later in the week? And then what effect could it have on our weather by the coming weekend? Interesting setup today. You see that blue line, the frontal system entering North Alabama today. It's got lots of heat and humidity to work with it as it moves southward in the state today. So there could be a few stronger storms. But by Tuesday, by tomorrow, the front moves closer to the coast. So the best chance of any storms with the front will be today. And in the afternoon heating, I think storms will fire up. And with this kind of heat, you could see some stronger storms with a lot of lightning as well, putting on quite a show. In fact, here's one model at 3 o'clock in the afternoon showing a few stronger storms in central Alabama as the front moves southward. And boy, it will have some heat to work with today. Heat index 100 plus in spots. Saturday we had a 102.5 out at the airport. So, mid 90 degree heat today with heat index above 100 will certainly be the fuel for a few stronger storms scattered across the area, and tonight's low 75. I think tomorrow behind the front, the best rain chances will be closer to the coast, but we'll be into the 60s on the dew point. So tomorrow is an improvement. You'll feel a difference, and even more of a difference on Wednesday when dew points are perhaps in the 50s. That's not bad. And even on Thursday, it'll be warm. We're going to be up around 90 each day, but the humidity will be tolerable for this part of the world. And then as we look at Friday, Rutrow, we look at the Gulf of Mexico, and we're starting to see that tropical system. So let's talk the tropics now. We won't talk about that area to watch off the U.S. East Coast right now. We're going to kind of focus on Invest 92L with a 50% chance of development down there in the Bay of Campeche in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. Some of the more credible models we like take this system to the upper Texas coast or Louisiana over the next few days, closer towards the weekend. The European tropical storm probability now has a 50 to 60% chance that this will become Bill by the weekend. And then how does it affect us? All the wet weather's on the east side. Some of the models indicate that South Mississippi and Louisiana could see some tremendous rainfall, and us not so much. But the GFS brings boatloads of rainfall into Alabama over the weekend. So there's a big question mark about our weekend forecast. Our weather app will keep you on top of the action. It's great to have. If you don't have it on your phone or tablet now, get it before we start dealing with the tropics here. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather. You'll also have access to all these videos as well, plus instant push notifications for severe weather alerts. Just search Rich Thomas Weather. I said this before, I am not looking forward to talking about the tropics from now until November after what happened to us last year, for heaven's sakes. We're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. You'll see us on TV on Channel 8, Channel 32. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. with the latest on the developing situation in the Gulf of Mexico. And your forecast whenever you want it, of course, across the dial, wherever, every day of the year, 365 days of the year on the Blue Water family of stations. That's 8 stations. Have a good day today. Watch the radar. Our weather app will keep you on top of the action. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.